Why is space completely silent? 5 mind-blowing facts that will echo in your mind forever. Imagine floating alone in the vast darkness of space. You scream, but no one hears you. Not because they're ignoring you, because space itself is dead silent. But why? What makes the universe such a quiet place when everything looks so loud and explosive? Let's dive into the chilling silence of the cosmos with 5 facts that will echo through your brain like never before. Fact 1. There's no air to carry sound. Sound needs something to travel through like air, water, or even metal. These are called mediums. In space, there's none of that. It's basically a giant vacuum. Without air, there are no vibrations, and without vibrations, no sound. Even if a star explodes next to you, you wouldn't hear a thing. Boom. Nope. Total silence. Let's catch our breath. Or not. There's no air anyway. Moving on. Fact 2. Radio waves don't count as sound. You might have heard about space signals and radio waves, but here's the twist. They're not sound. They're electromagnetic waves, which means they travel like light, not like your voice. We can convert them into sounds once they reach Earth, but out there in deep space, they're just silent travelers. Did space just ghost your voice? Yes. Yes, it did. Fact 3. Astronauts can't talk to each other without radios. Astronauts use radios to communicate not because it's cool tech, but because they literally can't hear each other in space. Even if they're floating side by side and yelling their lungs out, they'll hear nothing unless those radios are on. Space is not a place for small talk. Whisper all you want out there. It'll be the quietest argument ever. Fact 4. Silent doesn't mean still. Here's where it gets eerie. Space is filled with action. Stars are exploding, black holes are swallowing matter, and galaxies are crashing into each other. But all of that chaos happens in perfect silence. It's like watching a fireworks show with the mute button stuck on forever. Now that's creepy cool. Let's jump to our final truth. Fact 5. Silence is a clue about the universe. That eternal quiet isn't just a side effect. It's a clue to the nature of space itself. It tells us that space is a vacuum, that sound is bound to Earth, and that we need technology to listen to the cosmos. If space was noisy, we'd know something is seriously off with physics. So the next time you look up at the stars and imagine their chaos, remember they're doing all that in complete, haunting silence. Space isn't just empty. It's quiet on a level that Earth can never offer. And maybe, just maybe, that silence is speaking louder than any sound ever could.